What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to TacticalAdv. This is going to be a short and pretty simple video I thought I'd make for you guys, just to kind of show you some things I've been working on. I've kind of hinted to it on a couple videos, but basically I've taken the TacticalAdv brand and commercialized it, basically to bring that brand into gun customization, pistol customization. Predominantly competition guns. I'll also be doing a line of carry pistols that basically showcases some of the work I've learned over the years and how to make guns better, function better, aesthetically pleasing, and basically just give the customer something that can be a little bit different and something interesting for them, as well as be fully functional, as good as the factory, if not better. So really what we're looking at right here, this is TacticalAdv Competition Custom 003. This is a gun that I've customized for a pretty prominent YouTuber called Mr. Surgical Precision. Mr. Surgical Precision. Easier said than done. This is his competition gun. It's a Glock 17L, or a long slide. We've had this gun for a couple weeks, doing a couple things for him. And like I said before, this is TacticalAdv Competition Custom 003. This is really the first stage of this build. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the whole gun, and we're having to do this one in stages due to his competition schedule. This is going out tomorrow to go back home to him, and hopefully he'll be pretty happy. But anyway, I just thought I'd take a minute to kind of show you what we're doing over here and let you kind of see the level of customization and the things we're trying to accomplish anyway. Predominantly on striker fire guns, Glocks, XDs, things like that. But obviously, you know, if we can work on these, we can work on 1911s, you know, whatever. But I thought I'd take a minute to just show you guys what's going on. So first, just looking at the top, again, this is a Glock 17L. The first thing we did for him is change out his barrel to a Lone Wolf barrel. We mirror polished that barrel. Right now it's got a thread protector on it. I think he does plan in the future to run a comp on this gun, but that'll be at a later date. He's going to run it for a few comps and just see how things are running. We also have his magwell here that he previously owned, but sent it to us to be polished up and just to clean it up so when it goes on the gun it looks well. You get a good look at the barrel, and I'll move the camera around here in a second so you can really kind of see what's going on with it. But that was really the big premise of what this gun was all about. We did some aesthetic things to clean it up, make it look good. We did change the barrel, and we changed the sights to a set of Trijicon night sights. I'm not sure how well he'll like those in competition yet. They are really visible. Trijicon makes a good product, so he may like them. But we shall see. So let me get this camera moved and we'll show you. Get a closer look. So like we said, we did the barrel change out and the sights changed out for him. We also mirror polished the slide. And we had the TacticalAdv logo deep engraved and thermal glazed. What that is after the deep engraving, which is about 5/1000ths, they put a glaze inside and burn it in. So this is much deeper than you would see in a normal laser etch. Definitely set up to stand the test of time on a gun with a little bit of abuse. You can see we also serialize. He's 003. Might be kind of rough to get a real good vantage point with that mirror polish without getting the light, but as you can see, we take our polishing pretty seriously. I basically sand the pits down. Do a 180, 220, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 15, 2,000, and then I work it out with a couple different compounds before it's done. You know, it's quite a bit of work. I know this might not be everyone's cup of tea, but you know, I'm pretty happy with it. To give you guys an idea, I don't have his frame, but give you an idea what it would look like on the frame. We can use 001's frame and give you kind of a look right there. But pretty sweet. Here's his magwell that we also polished up. Basically just wanted to get all the scratches out of that and just get it looking good. Another thing I can show you is what I would normally do when we're doing this two-tone kind of polish, where you leave the serrations black and just polish the sides. It gives you that kind of eclipse kind of look. We also faded in the polish because he had some nicks and some dings. So we kind of went from a full polish to a satin back into the tenifer or the dark top on it, just to kind of make it pop a little bit. You know, you got the barrel. Sorry about the fingerprints, but the Trijis. So you know, we hope he likes it, and definitely interested in showing you guys what we're doing. You know, if you got any feedback, please let me know. You know, I'm anxious and looking forward to going commercial with this and really trying to give some people something new and interesting, you know. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.